So we're Gaudiya Vaishnavas and we're practicing Raganuga Bhakti with the sole purpose and intent to become members of the caste, to become servants in the Leela and the friends of Radharani. We're aspiring to become the friends of Radharani. We're reading about not them, we're not reading about those Leelas, we're reading about our people and we're reading about our pastimes. These are our people. This is my Radharani. This is my Krishna. This is my Rasa dance. This is my Vrindavan. And I'm moving. And it's not, oh, I'm watching the gopis search. I'm reading about the gopis searching for Krishna because he left them in the beginning of the Rasa dance. And I'm reading about how the gopis approach the trees. Oh Ashwat, oh Plaksha, oh Nilgara, oh Malati, Malika, oh Bhumi, oh Mriga, oh dear, have you seen Krishna? Has he passed this way? I think he's gone here with his beloved. So there's reading about it from a distance. It's like watching a movie, sitting in the theater, watching a movie, or watching a movie and you're in the movie. You're watching. And so when we read these Leelas or hear Rasa Lila, it's not, oh yes, the gopis are asking the trees, I am a gopi also. I'm a gopi. There's five kinds of gopis, and one is the manjaris. And I'm right there. I'm Nitya Sakhi or Pran Sakhi of Radharani. And we're moving right along.